Water forms the foundation of human existence, yet countless individuals consistently make critical errors in their hydration approach. Today, we're diving deep into 8 transformative secrets from renowned Russian physician Dr. Fyodor Grigorovich, who remarkably lived beyond 100 years. His groundbreaking discoveries reveal simple, yet incredibly effective methods to maximize water's health benefits. Before we begin, if you're ready to transform your health through proper hydration, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss our life-changing health content. And if this video helps you understand the power of proper hydration, show your support with a thumbs up. These evidence-based techniques could revolutionize your well-being within just 7 days. Dr. Grigorovich firmly believed that longevity and vibrant health stem from uncomplicated natural practices, with proper water consumption being absolutely fundamental.
Secret number 1. Pre-sleep hydration for cellular regeneration. Dr. Grigorovich strongly advocated consuming 1 full glass of water approximately 60 minutes before bedtime to optimize your body's nocturnal restoration processes. During sleep, your system performs intensive cellular repair work, nutrient processing, and comprehensive detoxification protocols. Strategic pre-sleep hydration significantly enhances these critical functions by enabling your kidneys to efficiently eliminate accumulated daily toxins. Additionally, maintaining proper hydration levels throughout the night accelerates cellular recovery mechanisms and dramatically improves sleep quality. Implementation strategy. Consume exactly 1 glass to prevent disruptive nighttime bathroom visits. Practice this technique consistently for several nights and observe whether you experience enhanced morning refreshment and vitality. The science behind this approach centers on supporting your body's natural circadian rhythms. When properly hydrated, your organs function more efficiently during their nighttime repair cycles, leading to improved recovery and enhanced daytime performance. Secret number 2. Gradual hydration throughout your day. Most people consume large water quantities sporadically, but Dr. Grigorovich discovered that consistent, gradual sipping proves far more beneficial for optimal health outcomes. Distributing water intake evenly throughout your day maintains steady hydration levels without overwhelming vital organs like your kidneys and cardiovascular system. This methodical approach significantly supports mental clarity and sustained energy levels, since even minimal dehydration can trigger fatigue, brain fog, and decreased cognitive performance. Practical application. Keep a water container within arm's reach and consume several small sips hourly, rather than drinking entire glasses at once. Set smartphone reminders if you struggle with consistent hydration habits. The physiological advantage of this method lies in maintaining optimal cellular hydration without creating sudden fluid imbalances that can stress your system. Your body can process and utilize water more effectively when it arrives in manageable quantities throughout the day. Don't forget to share this video with friends and family who could benefit from these life-changing hydration secrets. Your share could transform someone's health journey. Secret 3. Temperature optimization for enhanced digestion. Instead of ice-cold water, Dr. Grigorovich recommended warm or room temperature options for superior digestive support. While cold water might provide temporary refreshment, it actually disrupts your digestive processes by forcing your body to expend additional energy, warming the liquid to body temperature. This temperature adjustment requirement can significantly slow digestion and create uncomfortable stomach sensations. Consuming warm or room temperature water promotes smoother digestive function, maintains stable internal body temperature, and enhances overall circulation patterns. Testing protocol. Exclusively drink warm or room temperature water, particularly during meals, and monitor improvements in digestive comfort and reduced post-meal bloating sensations. The traditional Chinese medicine perspective aligns with Dr. Grigorovich's findings, emphasizing that cold liquids can extinguish digestive fire, weakening your body's ability to process nutrients effectively. Modern research supports this by showing that optimal enzyme function occurs at body temperature.
Secret number 4, strategic mealtime hydration management. Excessive water consumption during meals dilutes essential stomach acid, significantly impacting your body's ability to break down food and absorb crucial nutrients. Dr. Gregorovich recommended consuming water 30 minutes before meals or waiting 1 hour after eating to prevent this digestive interference. Quick implementation tip. If extreme thirst occurs during meals, take minimal sips, but reserve primary hydration for pre- or post-meal periods. Regular application of this principle may substantially reduce that uncomfortable, heavy sensation following meals. This approach allows your digestive enzymes to maintain optimal concentration levels, ensuring efficient food breakdown and maximum nutrient absorption. Your stomach acid maintains the proper pH levels necessary for protein digestion and mineral absorption when not diluted by excessive liquids.
Secret number 5, personalized hydration calculations. Dr. Gregorovich emphasized that each individual requires specific water amounts based on their unique body composition. To determine your optimal daily intake, multiply your body weight by 30 to 40 milliliters. Calculation example. A 70-kilogram person should consume approximately 2.1 to 2.8 liters daily. Active individuals or those in warmer climates may require additional hydration to maintain proper physiological balance. Action protocol. Use this scientifically based formula to establish your personal daily hydration target and monitor your intake for several days. Adjust quantities based on your activity levels, climate conditions, and how your body responds. This personalized approach ensures you're neither underhydrating nor overwhelming your kidneys with excessive fluid intake. Your individual hydration needs depend on factors including metabolic rate, physical activity, environmental conditions, and overall health status. If you're finding these secrets helpful, hit that like button to let us know, and comment below with which secret you're most excited to try.
Secret number 6, pre-exercise hydration strategy. Dr. Gregorovich strongly recommended consuming water before any physical activity to optimize performance and prevent complications. Proper pre-exercise hydration helps muscles function at peak capacity, prevents painful cramping, and maintains crucial electrolyte balance, supporting sustained energy while reducing exercise-induced fatigue. Professional tip. Consume a moderate glass of water 20 to 30 minutes before exercising. This timing can dramatically improve workout performance while reducing risks of overheating or premature fatigue onset. Pre-exercise hydration primes your cardiovascular system for increased demands, ensuring efficient nutrient delivery to working muscles and optimal waste product removal. Well-hydrated muscles contract more effectively and recover faster between exercise sessions. Secret 7. Mindful hydration practices. The manner in which you consume water equals the importance of quantity consumed. Rather than rapid consumption, Dr. Gregorovich advised slow, deliberate drinking to allow complete bodily absorption. Mindful hydration practices help distribute water throughout your entire system, hydrating cells more effectively while preventing bloating or discomfort associated with rapid consumption. Implementation technique. During your next hydration session, take small, deliberate sips, breathe deeply, and focus entirely on the slow consumption process. Notice the enhanced refreshment and satisfaction this mindful approach provides. This practice also activates your parasympathetic nervous system, promoting relaxation and better absorption. When you drink mindfully, you're more likely to recognize your body's actual hydration needs rather than drinking out of habit or stress.
Secret 8. Water quality optimization. Dr. Gregorovich stressed the critical importance of consuming high-quality, pure water. Water containing impurities, chemicals, or contaminants can burden your organs and compromise immune system function, potentially contributing to chronic health complications. Clean, mineral-rich water from filtered or natural spring sources can significantly boost health by providing essential minerals, including calcium, magnesium, and trace elements your body requires for optimal function. Quality improvement steps. When possible, invest in high-quality filtration systems or choose reputable spring water sources to ensure clean, nourishing hydration. Avoid tap water containing impurities, chlorine, or other potential contaminants. The mineral content in quality water supports bone health, muscle function, and enzymatic processes throughout your body. These naturally occurring minerals are more bioavailable than synthetic supplements, making quality water a superior choice for comprehensive health support.
Bonus secret: morning hydration ritual. Begin each day with a full glass of water immediately upon waking. This powerful practice rehydrates your body after hours without fluid intake, jumpstarts your metabolic processes, and helps eliminate toxins processed during overnight cellular repair. Starting your day with water instead of immediately reaching for coffee can substantially improve sustained energy levels and mental focus throughout your morning hours.
Transform your health in 7 days. By implementing Dr. Grigorovich's scientifically backed hydration secrets, you can experience remarkable health improvements within just 1 week. These modifications appear simple but possess tremendous transformative power. Incorporating these evidence-based techniques into your daily routine will likely result in increased energy levels, enhanced mental focus, and improved overall comfort and confidence in your physical well-being. Before you go, make sure you're subscribed to our channel for more health transformation content. Give this video a thumbs up if it helped you understand proper hydration, and share it with someone who needs these life-changing tips. Comment below and let us know which secret you're planning to implement first. We love hearing about your health journey. Remember, consistency creates results. Start with 1 or 2 secrets that resonate most with you, then gradually incorporate the remaining techniques as they become natural habits. Your body will thank you for this investment in optimal hydration and enhanced health.